We're going to sing a song called Majaira. Majaira simply demonstrates us in polyphony, but it's a commentary, social commentary song. There are people who are very lazy within each community, and they'll wait until it's harvest time, then they'll pretend like they're helping. They don't want to really work hard for their own food. So when you're about ready to eat your dinner, they knock at the door, and there you are, they join you. Then tomorrow they go to another homestead and they do the same thing. Because they don't have anything in their own, granary, they have nothing. Because it's not because they can't, it's not because they're poor, but because they just don't want to work on the land. So, and people begin to talk about it, and when they talk about it, usually that's when a song comes out, and you don't quite know who the composer is, but it comes out within that social setting, particularly when you are doing what we call Nimbe, which is a social kind of community work, where we come together and work for a particular homestead.